Here's my storyboard. So the goal, our bicycle shop app will let users rent and purchase our bikes as well as track data from the rides. Excuse me. So the user will open the app, go into the login page. The login page will show them the profile page where they can pick new rides, or either they can I'm not sure if I did this right or not. They can pick new rides from that profile page, or they can rent a bike. So if they pick new rides, then a GPS map where their location is will be shown on the screen. Then you got a start option. Okay, so you start. Well, that's the dime is the decision. So you can start. So as you're riding, it's tracking everything you're doing, your calories you burn, your distance, your miles, like everything. It's just tracking everything, keeping the data of that. So once you stop, the data screen will pop up and it'll show you everything you did on that one ride. So now you can save and share. When you save it, you can share it to Facebook, email, on the app itself, because the app will have a social media style platform on it for other riders. So that's if you pick a new ride. If you pick rent a bike, well, the user flow goes a little different. So you pick a user bike, the user go to the bike, there'll be a barcode on the side of the bike. You scan that barcode, all the bike information pop up. Then you can pick rent this bike, or no, don't rent this bike, depending on the price and any other thing else you see that you might not like. If you do pick no, then you go back to rent a bike option again, scan a new bike, and then you go through the same process. So you pick yes, it'll show you the rental hours. Then you got a decision to make. You want to keep the bike for 2 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours. It's up to you. But by you scanning the barcode, all your information, your credit card information, whatever you're using to purchase the bike, that's saved in the app database. So if you go over those hours, that company can charge you extra for not returning the bike in the time frame that you chose. So, okay, so after you pick your hour, you go to review the order. A screen will pop up with your payment options and everything, how you want to pay, which is already saved, or you want to add a new payment option to the app. Then you just say confirm your order, then we'll send you a thank you note. So that's the user flow. All right, so now we're gonna go into the storyboard. This is the big picture storyboard. So you two different storyboards, big picture and close up. This is the big picture storyboard. Let's go into the scenario. A bicycle app that will allow users to rent bikes as well as track data from, some people say data, some people say data from their rides. So, okay, user wakes up late for class. This is a college student who needs a bicycle to get across class once some campuses are real large, so classes are far apart. You only got a short period of time to do it, especially if you wake up late. So let's say this user woke up late. As you can see the clock, you know what I'm saying? That's a window with the sun on the outside, looking at the outside. The user open up the app, checks the bikes availability on campus, seeing how many bikes they have available, if they're in it to even waste your time or not, going to the bike rack or what the case may be. Once you get to the bike rack, the user scans the bike barcode. Now, once the user accepts all the things we just went over in the user flow, the payment options and everything, the user successfully gets on the bikes and rides to class. The user makes it to class on time with a smile on her face. Don't laugh at the hair. And then the user, the user returns the bikes to the bike station and scans it into the app that confirms that time frame that they picked, if they went over or if they made it in time. And this is the close-up storyboard. Okay, so the user will open up the bicycle shop app to the login page or forgot password. Once you get into it, your profile page will come up with information. Then you can either pick rent a bike or new ride. Once you say you want to rent a bike, that's what we did on storyboard 1. Once you want to rent a bike, then you get to the bicycle rack, scan the barcode on the side. All the bicycle information will come up on the barcode, on the app, I mean. Now you got your rental information shows up with the confirmation tab down there. Once you take care of business for us going to class or whatever you got to do on campus. You return the bike in your time frame, scan the bike back into the bike rack, and then you just see a fake smile on the face like a Pac-Man symbol. And then you go on about your day. So that's user flow, storyboard, big picture, and storyboard close up on my journey.